Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you know, we used to drop daily updates and analysis on our step index and boom and crash. So in today's video, we are going to be checking our step index 200 on 1 minute time frames. And as you can see, I've applied my best indicator inside this particular trend. I've applied my breaker OB and my mid-stage level at this particular one, and also I have a confirmation trend line here, and I'll always show the trend of the market for me. But as you can see now, that currently now we have a downtrend starting from this particular higher high level here. So we begin to check our higher high and our lower low level from here. And what the first thing that you can first discover is that we have our multi-stage level at this particular area. But that is not what we are going to be taking. We will be only taking this level when we confirm having our breaker OB at this particular trend. So like this now, for example, now you can see the trade come down and reverse to this particular level, and it form our breaker OB for us. Once it's form our breaker OB and it retrace back, and it go on another uptrend to give us another multi-stage level here. As you can see, it is a complete downtrend. So this is the level we are going to be taking. This is a best accurate for us to take for our downtrend. You can see confirmation downtrend. So you can see it break this particular even breaker OB and it still go below more that particular level. So don't forget, this is 1 minute. Imagine what you are going to be taking from this level to this particular breaker OB. So the trade still continue. When it gets to this particular spot, another lower low here, it gives us another breaker OB. It form another higher high, and it go and break it into this particular zone, which is another multi-stage level. So our breaker OB go above the multi-stage level here, show that we are going to go have a uptrend level. And don't forget, you're already having a confirmation level at this particular spot that uptrend have started. So it gives us another opportunity to enter for uptrend confirmation until we have this complete higher level here that we have. So this has given us a confirmation trend for a uptrend, massive uptrend. You can see that is what it has until it reach this our first unmitigated level here that we see here. So you can see the trade still continue and form another mitigate level here. It's from another mitigate level here, and before you know, it's from another breaker OB. The breaker OB break into it and it form this particular breaker OB. So what you are going to be waiting for is for you to have a confirmation trend. Once you have your confirmation trend like this, you the breaker OB first form, then you have your multi-stage level here, then you are good to go. Or what you have here, another breaker OB here, and you have on multi-stage level here on the uptrend, you have a confirmation trend. So this is how this perfect indicator works with our top-down analysis, and this is very perfect, and it has given us a best result so far, guys. So you can also get this particular indicator and also get this particular line sets. But guys, this is not for free. So if you, and it's very high price. So guys, but don't worry, it's something that you can very avoidable. It's something that you can very avoid, guys. So what you just need to do is to reach me on my Telegram, or you join my Telegram group and you get access to me. Thanks, guys. See you guys in our next video. Thanks.